Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering ingredients and prepping produce. Use 12 ounces peeled raw shrimp, 6 ounces chopped cooked lobster meat, 2 cloves minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon grated ginger. Measure 2 cups low-sodium chicken broth, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon oyster sauce if desired. Whisk 1 egg lightly in a bowl and set aside. Combine 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 3 tablespoons cold water for slurry. Chop 2 green onions for garnish, and have a small pinch of white pepper and 1 teaspoon sesame oil ready. Heat a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil until shimmering. Add the shrimp in a single layer and sear for 1 to 2 minutes per side, until pink and opaque. Do not overcook. In the last 30 seconds, add the 6 ounces chopped lobster meat to warm through, then remove all seafood to a plate. Wipe the pan, reduce heat to medium, and leave any fond for flavor. This sequence keeps shrimp tender and lobster delicate while building the base for the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon oil to the same pan over medium heat and sauté the minced garlic and grated ginger for about 30 seconds. Pour in 2 cups chicken broth, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Simmer for 2 minutes. Whisk and gradually stir in the cornstarch slurry until the sauce turns glossy and slightly thickened. Slowly drizzle the beaten egg while stirring to make thin ribbons. Return the shrimp and lobster. Warm through for 30 to 60 seconds. Then finish with 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.